A few minutes later.
Well, hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am Tracy Lee, and my channel is about, yeah, that was corny. I put these 2-strand twists in, right? And the reason why I do this for all my starter lock heads is I don't like clips. So this 2-strand twist actually secures my roots. When I decide to take them out, my roots will be nice and fresh. Yeah, we'll have a nice fresh retwist going. This is my 5-year plus, because we're still within the 5 years to be alive. This is my 5-year plus lock update. And I want to be real honest with you guys. I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it honest. I'm going to keep it authentic. Just tell you guys the truth. What is tea on managing locks this length? So we're doing our own lock maintenance. You guys know that if you've been following me. Since I started the journey back in 2018, then you know we've been doing this thing for the long haul all by myself. So when we started, yeah, it was easy. Wasn't a whole lot to it, especially when it came to retwisting. But I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. So I go every 5 months. That's how often I retwist my hair, every 5 months. And the reason why I do that is so I like to give my roots time to grow. I don't really like to be manipulating on my roots and stuff like that because it makes your locks weak. The root system on the lock, it makes it really, really weak. So to keep my roots strong and healthy and thriving, I give time between my retwists. So I'm not constantly twisting on my hair. I'm not constantly twirling on my hair and twisting on my hair and making it weak. The longer that your locks get and you're doing it yourself, you're manning it yourself, is the longer it's going to take for you to retwist it, right? Hi, I'm Skylar. You gonna look at the people? I'm Skylar, and I am a mix of a beagle and a Treeing Walker coonhound. I'm gonna say hound because I don't like that first word. I don't know who named these dogs that. She hates when I talk like that. She's a mix between a beagle and a Treeing Walker hound dog. Let's just say that because I don't like the part. We takes that out. Say hi. This is who's giving me all these problems when I'm trying to record, when I'm trying to give you guys content, when I'm trying to update. She's a year old and she's still a kid. Like, she's a whole teenager. I'm gonna say you a teenager. You're very rambunctious, you're very into things and just want to be the center of attention, right? The maintenance on your locks as it begins to grow, if you're doing it yourself, if you're not going to a loctician, is a whole lot more challenging than what it is first 3 years of your lock journey. Your retwist, it doesn't take a whole lot of time. And even though I'm not retwisting the whole lock, I don't do that. I don't palm roll. I'm not doing all of that. I just retwist my root, but it's still a lot of work. I'm being real with you. I'm being transparent. It's a lot of work, but you can get it done, sis. You can get it done, bruh. And that's what this channel's about. My name is Tracy Lee. My channel's about locks, lifestyle, inspiration, content creation, and a little bit of splash of this and that. I don't use a bunch of products. You guys, it's the same thing, different day, different month, different lock update. Rosewater, vitamin E, EVOO is one of my oils I like to use. Jojoba oil, argan oil, coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I make my own concoction. Moisturize my hair with the steam, put a little doublet of my oil mixture in, and just seal that moisture in. And so you guys can see the length. My hair's grown a whole lot. I have considered trimming my locks. Not really written in stone yet, but it's definitely a consideration. They do get heavy. It was a really hot summer, so this is hot, okay? This is really hot in the summertime. So I did a whole lot of messy bun days, right? Just to keep it off my neck, my face, all of this, so I can kind of be cooled off in the top area because I am in perimenopause age, and sometimes even with or without the sun, baby. Sometimes you still dealing with that private thing that's going on, that little private summer where you burn it up. So let me just turn around and show you guys the length in the back. I hope you can see it. Listen, be honest with you guys, I don't know what my parts look like back there. I do the finger parting to just go into where I parted originally. And some of them are straight and some of them not. But you know, that's all a part of this natural hairstyle, right? It does not have to be perfect, but my hair is really healthy, and I'm gonna keep these 2-strand twists in for a while because typically I'll go 3 days after my retwist and take out the 2-strand twist, but we're gonna keep them in for a while because You know, this is a vibe. This is a whole vibe right here. And I can actually style these 2-strand twists, right? So if I wanted to do a top up, top down, I could do a top up, top down, boom, boom. Why didn't pull my whole earring out? You see I got rubber bands on the end, but if I'm doing some type of style, I'll just use the actual lock to do something like that and just tie it. You know, how simple is that? Put my earring back on. Fun fact, we bought these earrings, my husband and I, for his mom when she passed away, and we were gonna actually have her wear these, but he picked out something different, so I wanted to keep them for myself. So we could do something like this, honey. You see that? Or if I want all this stuff up and I don't want nothing on my neck, right? If I don't want nothing on my neck, then what I'll do, and y'all see how I just bumped that to the side? That's a style too. But I'll take it and we'll just kind of tighten anything that's kind of loose out here. Pretty much, I just tied it around. This I'm gonna tighten up inside here. And then I'll pull it up like this. This a whole style, baby. Y'all see that? Okay? And even with the bun part, I'll take one of my lock, boom, and I'll just wrap that bad boy around and hook it in. And of course, you can kind of fix what's hanging out. Let me lower my seat. And I'll just kind of tuck in any stragglers or anything hanging out. And we got a whole style here. Cute little neat bun. Boom, boom. Or if I want to just keep it and just rock a little side pony, I'll do that. So it's different things I can do with my locks while they are in 2-strand twists, right? I don't know what nobody else's story is, but again, I'm doing this myself and it can be very challenging. So I want to keep it real authentic and honest with you guys. I know people come on and say, it's a great protective style. It is. It's easy to manage. It is. But when it comes to retwisting, when it comes to doing all of that, it's work. So just be ready for it. Okay? If you guys got any questions, especially my new starter lock heads, in regards to lock maintenance, especially if you're DIYing it yourself, tap into the membership. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're going to be bringing you some more long form videos. We haven't done it in a while. We've been pumping out those shorts, baby. It's really easy to pump them out, but we want to give you some content as it relates to what the channel's about. Locks, lifestyle, inspiration, content creation, and all that jazz. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to see your beautiful faces in the next video.